Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for a flexible way to earn money online using your knowledge? In this video, I will show you exactly how to make money on Studypool in 2025. Step by step, whether you are a student, teacher, or just good at explaining stuff, this platform pays you to help others learn. Let's dive in. Studypool is a micro tutoring platform that connects students who need academic help with people who can answer their questions like you. You can make money by answering homework questions, selling study documents or notes, becoming a tutor in live sessions. And it works in subjects like math, science, business, programming, writing, humanities, and more. Now go to studypool.com, click Become a Tutor, fill in your email, then click Apply Now, enter your email address, write a username like and enter password and click Create Account. You also create an account with Google, then upload a valid ID or academic credentials. Wait for approval, usually takes a few days. Make sure your profile looks professional. That helps increase your chances of getting accepted and landing more questions. Answering questions, student post questions with a price range like 5 to $30. You place a bid, and if chosen, you answer it. You get paid once the student accepts your answer. Selling study materials. Upload your old class notes, guides, or past exams. When someone downloads them, you earn money passively. Click on Sell Docs, Switch and Sell Docs. And click Study Tool, and Note Bank, or from here upload your file. Click Sell Documents and upload your file from here. Per question, earn $5 to $30 plus depending on complexity. Top tutors earn 1,000 to 7,500 dollar per month, selling documents up to $10 per download. Payment method PayPal, Payoneer, or direct transfer. Be fast and accurate. The more helpful your answers, the more students will choose you again. Complete your profile fully, show your strengths, respond fast to briefs, stick to subjects you know well, be clear and detailed in answers, use proper grammar, formatting, and references. Maintain a high rating. This affects how often you get picked. To sell documents, go to Docs again, upload your study materials and add title, subject, and description, hit publish. That's it. How high quality PDFs work best: clean formatting plus clear handwriting if scanned, more cells. Include keywords in your titles to boost search visibility. Pros: work from home or anywhere, flexible hours, multiple income streams, Q&A plus docs. Great for students, teachers, and freelancers. Cons: takes time to build a strong profile. You may complete with many tutors. Payment can take a few days to clear. If you are knowledgeable and good at explaining things, Studypool is still one of the best ways to earn online using your brain in 2025. It's legit, flexible, and can even into a full-time income with effort. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more online earning tips, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on how to answer your first questions first question or sell notes successfully. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.